In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a creator icon here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Brawl Stars content like this. But if you want that exclusive creator icon here in Brawl Stars, here's exactly how you can get it step by step. Begin by exiting out of Brawl Stars and opening up a web browser of your choice and navigate to creators.supercell.com. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and there's going to be a section that says Apply Now. You're going to need to go ahead and click Apply. Now, to qualify, you are going to need to be at least 16 years old. You're going to need to make sure that you act respectively and you follow community guidelines. And then you need to make sure that you have at least 100 plus YouTube subs, at least 25 plus Twitch followers, or at least 1,000 plus TikTok followers. You don't need to have all three, you just need to have one. From there, simply go ahead and hit apply now, confirm your age, choose your main platform, and log into your account and agree to the terms of service. It's going to ask you what your main game is. Simply select Brawlstars and fill out your creator details, and then submit the form, and Supercell is going to review it, and when you're approved, you'll automatically receive your exclusive creator icon in Brawl Stars within a few days. But yeah, as you can see, I've already done this. I linked this account right here, and it's cool because they actually give you all these other challenges in here as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great day. Peace.